Imagine how much your dental practice efficiency could improve if you only had one software solution that seamlessly integrated your digital imaging needs and imaging hardware. Because automation is a great way to gain efficiency, it can lead to fewer missed opportunities for your practice and a better experience for your patients. Dentrix Imaging Center integrates with over 100 imaging hardware devices, providing image capture without having to switch to a different third-party software platform, creating a seamless imaging workflow, enabling office managers to attach images to claims and correct CDT codes to images, and allowing front office staff to schedule recare, update your ledger and recall entry automatically. Plus, you'll only need to work with one organization to support practice management systems and imaging integration issues. Make your practice more efficient, automate your processes, and spend less time entering and tracking down data and more time with patients. Increase profitability when you boost case acceptance and expedite claims revenue, and make the patient experience better in the front office and in the chair by having all your imaging data in the right place at the right time. Call or click to schedule a demo today.